What's up, nerds? This is Mr. Storm. Today we're going to focus on using Google applications, Google software. Okay, that is going to be the main focus for a good while. I want you guys to be familiar with cloud-based software and the kind of things, the software that we're going to use to complete the rest of our assignments. Today we're going to be focusing mainly on your Google account, getting to know your Google account, how to use it, how to log in, how to use your Drive, and things like that. And so I have all these links to information to get you up to speed with how to use your Google account. Now, the assignment is I want you to create 5 new documents. Okay, I want you to create a Google Docs document. I want you to create a Google Slides document, a Google Sheet, a Google Form, and a Google Drawing. Okay, now you can put anything you want in these as long as it's school appropriate. I don't care what you put in these, but I want you to give me those 5 things. Okay, so let me show you very quickly how to easily create these 5 documents. You open a new tab and you go to drive.google.com and log in with your Google account, the one attached to the school. You'll see that there are all, you have your Google Drive and it has, probably a bunch of stuff in there that you've had from before. What you're going to want to do is click New. When you click New, it's going to give you a couple of options. It's going to give you the option of creating a new Google Doc, new Google Sheet, new Google Slide. You can even click More and go to Google Forms, Google Drawings, right? There's all kinds of stuff that you can put in here, right? But to create, remember those 5 things: Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Forms, Drawings. Right? So to create a new Google Doc, you can go blank document or from a template, right? You can just go new Google document. And you're going to want to make sure that you give these a title. Here's one important thing. If you send me a bunch of documents that are just untitled documents, you will lose those points. You will lose points for that submission, okay? You want to make sure you give these a title. So I'm going to say, something like docs example, and then I can go in here. This is a Google Doc. It is awesome. Okay, you can play around with it, right? Use this as an example or as an opportunity to play around with the software, get to know it a little bit. Change the text color. Give it a cool green highlight, which is really gross looking, and that's horrible to look at, so I'm going to change it back. Oh, let's go back, right? Play around with it, have fun with it. Make the text super big. Add a picture. Insert image. Sure, why not? Go search for it, and I can search for, I don't know, Spider-Man. Spider-Man. And put a Spider-Man in there. Boom. Oh yeah, I got a Spider-Man in there. Right? Just have fun with it. Have fun with it. Do whatever you want to do. Right? So that's my Google Doc. I can go in here, go New, Google Sheet. Oh, cool. Google Sheets. Oh, it's like Excel, Microsoft Excel, if you guys have ever done that before. Right? We're going to learn more about this later on in the semester. So let's see. Sheet example, right? You can go in here and do some stuff, play around with it, see if you can figure out how to use formulas, and I'm going to make this to be, I'm going to have this be equals sum of, B8, sum B8 plus B9. Oh, it did it. It worked, right? So play around with it, add some stuff to it, add pictures, add whatever, change, the format. You guys get it, right? Next, I want to do a Google Slide. Well, we've done Google Slides before. Create a new presentation and then mess around with that. Don't forget to rename. Don't forget to name your stuff, okay? And then we can do Google Forms, which we've already done one, but I want you to create a new one and try to do different things with it. And then Google Drawings, which you may not have played around with before, but it's awesome. It's kind of like a really advanced version of Microsoft Paint. You can make cool stuff with it. You know, do some cool stuff, right? Make shapes and, you know, arrows and whatever you want. Okay, play around with it. Make something cool. Okay, and when you're done with all 5 of the documents, you're going to turn them all in to this assignment here, the Google account assignment. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm here. Thank you for paying attention, and I will see you next time.